Welcome! I am glad for you that you have found the way to us. Together, we will form your future. I am Doubly's technology, the most powerful source of income that can double your income risk-free, fast, and without effort for you. 100% money-back guaranteed. Let me show you how and take you to the journey of Doubly. I am the gem of Doubly, which can achieve such high profits automated through artificial intelligence. Through my self-learning algorithms, I improve steadily and assure safe and profitable winnings. Doubly functions without an account system. All actions take place directly on our homepage. Each user is assigned a personal link, which can be found here. Save this link, and whenever you want to log in, just enter the personal link in the URL box. If you're a new investor, then I suggest you open the incognito mode of your browser to make sure you create a new personal link. Enter your email address to have full control of your account. Use features of Doubly and to claim a 5% bonus on your first investment. At Doubly, we have different investment packages differing in minimum investment and profit percentage. You can invest with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dash, and Bitcoin Cash. To know what your future income with Doubly is, you can use the calculator on our homepage. You can enter any amount which you would like to invest and see what huge amounts this source of income can bring to you. To invest, simply go into the investment section, choose your desired currency you would like to double, and enter your private withdrawal address. Send the desired amount to the generated address, and your package will be created within seconds. Now you can start earning a passive income of up to 4.50%. Additionally, you can earn commissions of 15% with our referral program. Just go to the referral section, choose the currency you want to earn your commissions with, and enter your private wallet address. Copy the referral link and share it with your friends. Use it in marketing campaigns or otherwise to reach people. To see all details to the performance of the two income streams you can generate on Doubly, you go to our homepage and scroll down to this table. Here you can see your balance. Whenever you reach the minimum withdrawal limit, you can make a payout here. Or you're smart enough and reinvest your winnings too, to create an even bigger stream of income. To see the details to your different investment packages, just click here. In this section, you can watch your winnings on the packages. For example, with the investment of 2 Bitcoins, you will reach the ROI in 22 days and double your funds to 4 Bitcoins within 44 days. And the coolest thing is, you have full control of your money anytime. Whenever you want to release your money, you can stop the investment by clicking on Release and entering the PIN sent to your email. All these functions can also be used directly with our Telegram bot. Just enter your personal link to connect with the bot. Create the most powerful income stream now and start earning.